Here's the sound check for the DT240 hub utilizing the 36-point star ratchet engagement plates. Okay, so stock DT240 hub comes with an 18-point star ratchet mechanism. This is a vertical sawtooth profile, not unlike the Chris King. But unlike the Chris King, it does not use a helix to drive the plates together. It just uses two springs. You can upgrade from 18 point, which is 20 degrees of engagement, to 36 point, which is 10 degrees of engagement. Again, that's what's in here. Or 54 points of engagement, which is just under 7 degrees of engagement. So this is all DT hubs, whether it be the 340s, the 240s, or the 180s, are all upgradable in the same fashion. They only come with an aluminum driver by. You do not have a steel driver by upgrade option or a reinforced key, and they are not a side load adjustable hub. They are a shouldered axle hub. Noise will get quite a bit louder with this as the lubrication starts to break down, as you have all 36 points or 18 points or 54 points coming in contact with each other simultaneously, so it has tendency to go ahead and generate a little bit more noise. Drag's not too bad, and it'll get better once the lube breaks in on the hub. But again, as lube breaks in, so too will the noise. It'll get a little bit louder. Anyways, that's the DT240 hub, and again, as it applies to all the DT hubs, pretty much the same thing.